We've had our Samsung fridge for about 5 years now, and for those years, we've been using Water Specialist water filters to change them. They work great. We've never had any issues with the functionality of it. The water always comes out clear, no particles or no weird taste, which I really appreciate. So super easy to exchange. You just pull out the bad one. Make sure you turn your water off. Also, you'll pull out the bad one, take off the cap on the new one, insert it in, and you're pretty much good to go. You'll turn your water back on, and then you just want to make sure you run about a gallon of water or so to clean out the filter. But highly recommend these.